Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to change birthday on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you open up Facebook app and right here three dot icon, tap on this icon and go to your profile. Tap on this. Scroll down. You can see your about info. Tap on this. Scroll down. You can see that basic info your birthday. Tap on this icon. You can see that edit birthday, and already you can see that account center. Tap on account center. And you can select your birthday date. Okay. Tap on done and tap on save button. Your birthday changed successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.